This is a PCB and you can find it nearly in any electronic device. But what does it have to do with such an AR headset? At our monthly TechNight of ACE, we developed a new software app solution for the assembly of PCBs. Usually you have hundreds of items you need to place on your circuit boards, and it's pretty hard to find the position for the component on the PCB. With our app, you can simply scan the QR code on your components and then have a look at the PCB and see the correct position on there. And it doesn't need to be just on a smartphone. In the future, it can be on any AR device. Thank you very much. Stay tuned.